So I'm back at the boat today. I think it was last week or so. I did a live broadcast about the boat. So this is the inside of the cabin, and we're going to work on this today. It's really not too bad in here, and it was smelling really musty, but it's not as bad as it was before. So we're going to, like you can see, there's stuff here. There's a little bit of mildew, it looks like, on the counter. We're going to try to get this all cleaned up, a little more presentable. This is the hood thing that goes over where you drive the boat. I have no idea how he got it in here, and it's going to sit right where it is because I'm not going to mess with that big clumsy thing. But we're going to work on this, and then I think we're going to do some work on the outside too and get it looking a little bit better today. So I'll come back in a little bit and show you what we've done. Alright, so we've done the inside. There's still some, this is an old boat, so there's some spots that are really stained, but I've got some loose stuff I put back there in that little sleeping area. Got all the seats wiped off, and this counter, there's some rust stains there. But everything else is looking pretty good. Like I said, I'm not moving this hood here, so we just worked around it. So here's the outside of the boat, and we're going to wash this now. It's an old boat, and you can see, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to reach that, but up there, there's some, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some film on the blue part that makes it look yucky. I mean, it's not too bad. The other boat that I cleaned for this guy, he had, stains underneath that we got that off. But this boat, I mean, it's just mildly dirty. You can see, where we wiped off before on this back end versus what needs to be cleaned. But we'll come back to this in a minute. Alright, so we got this cleaned here. I don't know what it is though. There's some kind of a film. You can't really see it right now because it's still wet, but there's some kind of a film on the blue part of this boat. It's like a white film. I might be able to see it more on this side. I don't know if you can see that. See? So if any boat people know what that's from or how you can get it off or prevent it, let me know. But we did it, and that's the end of the boat clean as far as I'm aware. Thanks. Bye.